Hi, Mitch here, providing you with some information to help with the battle against COVID-19. Here's the correct way to wear an ear loop disposable face mask. Clean your hands with soap and water or hand sanitizer before touching the mask. Remove a mask from the box and make sure there are no obvious tears or holes in either side of the mask. Determine which side of the mask is the top. The side of the mask that has a stiff, bendable edge is the top and is meant to mold to the shape of your nose. Determine which side of the mask is the front. The colored side of the mask is usually the front and should face away from you while the white side touches your face. Hold the mask by the ear loops. Place a loop around each ear. Mold or pinch the stiff edge to the shape of your nose. Pull the bottom of the mask over your mouth and chin. To remove, gently pull up on the elastic loop behind one ear and slowly pull the mask away from your face, being careful not to touch your face during the process. Lift up gently to remove the elastic loop from behind the other ear. Dispose of used masks properly. Be sure to wash hands again after disposal and anytime you touch your mask. For more information or to place an order, contact your distributor today.